If you've ever felt the sudden, intense joint pain of gout or the deep pain of a kidney stone, you know how brutal they can be. At the root of this suffering is one thing: high uric acid levels. When uric acid builds up, it forms needle-like crystals in your joints or kidneys. These can trigger inflammation and intense pain. Here's the good news: you don't have to resign yourself to painful flare-ups or rely solely on medication. In this video, we'll talk about the various foods and beverages that science shows may help naturally lower your uric acid levels. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is based on credible research and has been reviewed by qualified health professionals. With that said, let's jump in and talk about the foods and beverages that may help naturally lower your uric acid levels. Number 1, dairy products. Would you believe that the same glass of milk that strengthens your bones could also be fighting high uric acid levels? Research consistently shows that people who consume low-fat dairy products have a lower risk of high uric acid levels and gout. In fact, studies have found that dairy products are linked with a 44% reduced risk of gout. That's nearly cutting your risk in half. While many animal foods increase uric acid due to their purine content, dairy works differently. According to controlled trials, drinking milk can decrease uric acid levels in the blood as much as 10% by helping your body excrete more uric acid. Who knew your morning glass of milk could be a powerful ally against painful gout attacks? Number 2, cherries. Ever notice how cherries have that deep, rich red color? That vibrant pigment comes from compounds called anthocyanins, and they're the secret behind cherries' powerful effects on uric acid. Tart cherries, in particular, have emerged as nature's gout fighters. Research shows they can reduce uric acid levels in the blood within hours of consumption, faster than many medications. These small fruits pack a mighty punch against uric acid. Number 3, coffee and tea. Good news for coffee lovers. Your morning cup might be doing more than just waking you up. It could be helping to manage your uric acid levels too. Tea and coffee contain natural plant compounds that appear to interact with the enzymes involved in purine metabolism. That's the process creating uric acid in your body. Research suggests that drinking moderate amounts of coffee is linked with lower uric acid levels and reduced risk of gout. How strong is this connection? Observational studies have found that people who drink coffee regularly have less than half the chance of developing gout compared to non-coffee drinkers. Tea shows promising effects as well. Black tea consumption has been shown to reduce uric acid levels by approximately 8.5% in people with elevated levels, while green tea contains compounds that may enhance uric acid excretion. Your daily cup isn't just delicious, it's fighting uric acid too. Enjoying our video so far? Before we move on to the next point, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4, vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C works in a fascinating way to help lower uric acid. It competes for reabsorption in your kidneys, meaning when vitamin C levels go up, more uric acid gets eliminated from your body. Multiple clinical trials have found that vitamin C supplementation significantly lowers uric acid levels in the blood when taken regularly. A large research review found that vitamin C supplementation reduced uric acid compared to placebo. The benefits extend beyond just reducing uric acid levels. A large study that observed over 14,000 middle-aged men over 10 years found that vitamin C supplements were linked with a 12% reduction in new gout cases. Even in patients with kidney problems on hemodialysis, vitamin C supplements significantly reduced uric acid levels. This everyday vitamin could be your joint's best protection against painful attacks. Number 5, stay hydrated with the right water. Water might seem too simple to make our list, but don't underestimate the power of proper hydration. With adequate water intake, uric acid becomes more diluted in your urine, making it less likely to form crystals, and more likely to be flushed from your system. Studies suggest that drinking adequate water significantly reduces the risk of kidney stones coming back. Drinking more than 6 cups of water daily has shown to reduce uric acid levels in urine for patients with a history of kidney stones. Here's something fascinating. The mineral content of your water matters too. Mineral water rich in bicarbonate may help prevent uric acid crystals from forming in urine by increasing urine pH. Recent research on alkaline water shows particularly promising results, with one study finding it significantly reduced uric acid levels in patients with chronic gouty arthritis compared to standard treatments alone. The right water could be your simplest defense against uric acid crystals. Number 6, plant proteins, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Looking to reduce your meat intake without sacrificing protein? Plant proteins might be your new best friends, especially when it comes to managing uric acid levels. Many animal proteins with high levels of purines break down into uric acid. Plant proteins, on the other hand, tend to contain different types of purines that affect your body differently. Research has found that nut consumption can lower the risk of high uric acid levels by 25%. Among various nuts, almonds have shown particularly promising results. Consuming just 10 grams of almonds daily, about 8 to 10 almonds, significantly reduced uric acid levels in patients with heart disease. Beyond nuts, legumes, such as beans, have also been shown to reduce uric acid levels, especially in patients with kidney stones. The type of carbohydrates you choose matters too, with whole grains linked to lower uric acid levels, while refined grains tend to raise levels. Swapping animal proteins for plants could be your uric acid game changer. Number 7, probiotics and fermented foods. Did you know that the trillions of bacteria living in your gut could be influencing your uric acid levels? The beneficial bacteria in probiotic foods may help break down purines in the gut before they're absorbed, potentially reducing uric acid formation in your body. Multi-strain probiotic supplements have been shown to reduce uric acid levels in multiple studies. This beneficial effect has also been observed in yogurt containing lactobacillus. Those tiny microbes could be your biggest allies against painful gout attacks. Number 8, olive oil and healthy fats. The type of fats in your diet may be silently influencing your uric acid levels. Research suggests that Mediterranean dietary patterns rich in olive oil may be beneficial for uric acid management. In clinical studies, consuming extra virgin olive oil has been shown to reduce uric acid levels in patients with chronic kidney disease. How strong is this connection? Research from the Attica study found that people who closely follow the Mediterranean diet had a 70% lower likelihood of having high uric acid levels compared to those with the lowest adherence. In addition to its well-known heart benefits, switching to olive oil might be one of your smartest moves for uric acid health. Number 9, low-fructose fruits. While fruits are generally considered healthy, did you know that their impact on uric acid can vary dramatically based on their fructose content? Not all fruits are created equal when it comes to uric acid management. Research suggests that high fructose consumption increases the risk of high uric acid and gout. But here's the good news. Consuming fructose in whole fruits appears to have different metabolic effects than consuming it in juices or sugar-sweetened beverages. Some fruits, such as berries, cherries, and citrus fruits, contain relatively lower fructose levels. They're also rich in vitamin C, which we already know may help reduce uric acid levels. But be cautious with fruits high in fructose, such as mangoes, grapes, and dried fruits. Fruit juices may be particularly problematic because they contain concentrated fructose without the fiber present in whole fruits. Choosing the right fruits could make all the difference for your uric acid levels. Number 10, potassium-rich foods. Diets that focus on potassium-rich foods, like the DASH diet, have been shown to reduce uric acid levels in people with elevated levels. Similar results have been observed in people consuming diets rich in potassium from fruits and vegetables. How does potassium work? Potassium helps increase uric acid excretion through the kidneys, while potentially reducing the activities of enzymes involved in uric acid production. Some of the most common potassium-rich foods are bananas, potatoes, spinach, avocados, and white beans. Nature packed these foods with exactly what you need to fight uric acid. Number 11. Quercetin-Rich Foods. Here's a word you might not know: quercetin. This powerful plant compound found in many everyday foods has been studied for its potential effects on uric acid levels, and the results are promising. One clinical study found that taking 500 milligrams of quercetin daily for just 4 weeks significantly reduced uric acid levels in healthy men. Quercetin achieves this by affecting both uric acid production and elimination. So, where can you find this beneficial compound? Foods rich in quercetin include apples, especially with skin, red onions, cherries, berries, grapes, citrus fruits, leafy green vegetables, and hot peppers. Tea is also a good source, with green tea being especially rich in quercetin. This hidden plant compound could be secretly protecting you from uric acid pain. Combining several of the strategies we've listed within this video, like enjoying dairy products, cherries, and coffee, while also staying well hydrated, may give you the best results. Remember, consistency is key. These changes work best when maintained as part of your regular lifestyle. And if you're currently dealing with gout or kidney stones, always work with your healthcare provider to create a plan that combines both dietary changes and appropriate medical treatment. Enjoyed this video? Click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission.